Morning student, I am Gagandeep Kaur. In last video we have discussed about what is verb, types of verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, and today we are going to discuss about linking verb, auxiliary verb or modal verb. So let's start with linking verb. A linking verb connects the subject to another part of the sentence. Another part of the sentence is called predicate or subject complement. Subject complement could be noun, pronoun, adjective or adverb. And the main linking verbs are is, am, are, was, were, been or been. For example, my mother is proud of my achievement. So here my mother is subject, is linking verb, and proud is subject complement, and proud is adjective here. Next example, he was a dancer. So here he is subject, was is linking verb, and dancer is subject complement and noun. Next example, this pen is yours. So this pen is subject, is linking verb, and yours is pronoun, possessive pronoun. These verbs feel, appear, become, get, prove, look, seem, taste, turn, sound, remain, etc. These verbs can be used as a linking verb or as an action verb. For example, he looked calm. So here looked is linking verb because looked is not showing any action. Next example, he looked at me. So here looked is used an action verb because he looked at me. So it is showing action. So looked is used as an action verb. Now move to auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb is used with a main verb to help express the main verb's tense, mood or voice. And the main auxiliary verbs are to be, to have and to do. For example, he had eaten the whole piece. So here eaten is main verb and had is auxiliary verb. And had is expressing that sentence is past perfect tense. Next example, did it go well? So here go is a main verb and did is auxiliary verb, and did is expressing that sentence is interrogative mode. Next example, the pea was eaten by the dog. Here eaten is main verb and was is auxiliary verb, and was is expressing that sentence is passive voice. Now move to modal verb. They are used to express ability, obligation, possibility, permission, request, offer, suggestion, habit, etc. And modal verbs or auxiliary verbs, they are also called helping verb. And some modal verbs are can, could, may, might, should, will, would, must, etc. For example, it may rain. So here may is modal verb, and may is showing possibility. It may rain, and may can be used to take a permission. Next example, she can sing well. Here can is modal verb, and can is showing ability, and can is also used to take a permission. This is all about linking verb, auxiliary verb or modal verb. So I hope this is clear to you. We will meet in next video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching.